In this video, I will guide you how you can make a portfolio website on Wix. So first of all, start by clicking on Get Started. If you haven't signed up with the Wix, make sure to sign up. It will gonna take few minutes. And once you have signed up with your Wix account, this will gonna ask you whether you want to create with AI or if you want to use it. Otherwise, simply select portfolio in the which type of website that you want to create. So in this case, it is portfolio. So simply click on it, and again this will gonna give you some subcategories that you can choose, like film student, writing portfolio, digital media portfolio, and all kind of options. If you cannot find it, you just need to click on the continue button. But for now, as an example, I will simply select photography and click on the continue button. Now this will take few seconds in order to load up our dashboard, and this is how it will gonna look like. We can add our name of website, let's say as an example, and click on the continue button. As for the apps that I want to include, make sure that portfolio is selected. This is where you can create your portfolio even if you don't have any experience. So click on the continue again and click on continue to dashboard. Now as for the main page, this is where you can see all of your payments, portfolios. You can create your project, collection, and integration. We have inbox, customer leads, and all kind of basic information. But for now, click on design side on the top right corner, which is the main process in order to create your portfolio website. Now if you don't like any kind of template from the Wix itself, you can also generate a design with the AI. If I click on the generate a design, this will take me to this particular page where I need to simply kind of like give it a prompt just like any other AI, and this will gonna start generating my particular website according to my requirements. Now if you want to go with it, I recommend you to make a good prompt. Otherwise, you can also simply click on pick a template. This is much better if you are starting newly, and you need to simply first select a template here. Now depending on your niche, again you can select accordingly in the creative section. But for now, as an example, I will simply select this particular website and click on the view button in order to take a preview. Otherwise, if you are satisfied with it, click on the edit button. So first, this will ask us to enhance your AI content. Now, if you don't want to do all the work by yourself, especially the writing content, I recommend you to then take the help of AI. Nowadays, you can rely on AI. So next step is we have all kind of options, elements, section, page and menu, site and design. You can also add apps, integration, media, and customer managing system. Otherwise, if I click on my website now or click on the preview button, this is how it will gonna look like. We have our portfolio main image right on the header, and we have some images on the bottom of our page as well. If I scroll down, this is kind of like a basic website. We have our social media accounts links on this place as well. Now click on the back to editor on the top right corner, and the basic things are, first you just need to change your name. Once you have added your name, you can also change it like landscape photographer to kind of like street photographer or nature photographer. If you don't want to include anything, you can simply delete it. Otherwise, for the logo, so click on the logo and you can simply delete this particular text, and now you can add your own logo. In order to add your own logo, click on the add elements on your left hand side, and you just need to click on the images and you have option of custom logo. So you just need to click on it and then click on this add logo. You can also again replace it by clicking on logo design and click on design my logo if you want to add from the Wix AI. Otherwise, as for now, as an example, I will simply resize it just like so. So after resizing the logo, the next thing is the main site design. Click on site design and you can change the theme of your website, like color scheme as well. Click on the color theme and choose whatever colors you want to go with. Otherwise, if you want to now change your images, you just need to click on this manage media. By simply clicking on it, this will open up this kind of window where you can see all kind of images that are stock images. So now you can simply click on the replace image that you want to replace from this portfolio. If you want to delete any one of these, you can also do so at the same time. Otherwise, in order to add your particular image, you can click on it and click on upload from computer. You can also use Instagram or Facebook to import your images as well. Otherwise, click on upload from computer, and as an example, if I click on this particular image, this will gonna load up after few seconds. And once you have uploaded your image, you need to also make sure that you only get 500 MB of free space. After that, you need to make sure to upgrade if you have some large files. Otherwise, click on it and click on add to page. Now after replacing it, as you can see, I have successfully added my particular image. So that's the way of how you can make a portfolio website on Wix.